Hey guys, so Red Day recap. Um, I should have been green. Okay, let's rephrase it. It was a pretty difficult day for a trend. The first trade I had kind of messed me up. I kind of went in a little too early before confirmation, and then I missed most of the second. So I got stopped. I didn't get stopped out. I just cut it because it wasn't going, and I think I got like out maybe. Yeah, so that made me a little hesitant in the second trade, which was actually a really good trade. I should have doubled up on that trade a couple times. But then the rest of the time I was trying to reversal plays, and I just kept getting chopped out, and had to cut stuff short. So I am actually not down as much in the IB. I'm only down $1.37 right there. So it's like about probably one trade, but then in my Okay, so here is a reversal. Let's see if I want to take it. So this has not been working lately. And so I did do this reversal here, but I only got like two or three fills here. I think the key for the reversal is probably I need bigger volume, POC volumes, and around the reversal. But here is like perfect, so it's like right on the reversal candle of this downtrend here. Um, Here, if it closes red, I might go in or I might not. Maybe I shouldn't because it has not been really working lately, and I've been just kind of coming back from a bigger loss here and here too. But so this is actually live and it's running. So this is a really slow laptop, so it's running like three things, and it's probably gonna die if I try to do anything. But if there is a trade, I just want to show you guys how the mirroring system works and how, um, I'm trying to become profitable and learn. So obviously, when you do a replay, it's a little different. Um, I think when I'm live, I'm just a little bit antsy on the trades, or not antsy, like trigger happy on the trades. So the first trade this morning, going into a bit actual good trade, I was a little too antsy. I was trying to anticipate the breakdown and the stack and balance breakdown of the trade, but I was a little too antsy. And then I tried a couple more breakdowns. I think some of them were okay. I did like a couple, one or two targets, but then like the rest were just like, it was just a sloppy day in terms of trending. But let's see if there is a trade here. So I think what I'm going to do afterwards, I'm going to work on I think the breakdowns are okay. The breakouts and the breakdown trends, they're okay. It's just the reversal patterns. Like, for example, here. If I enter here, like, I've gotten slaughtered right here on this candle. I think maybe the key here is that, there's really not that much volume as in here. There's a huge amount of volume here for the reversal. Okay, let's see. So here, there's not a lot of volume. There's not a lot of volume here as well. But I do want to show kind of what happens when I do when I do the mirroring. So what will happen is I have hotkeys on my mouse. Page down is for short. Page up um, is for long. And I use the scroll wheel to close the position. So click here, and then I'll click these buttons. So this is 4 lot. So first lot, second lot, third lot, fourth lot for long, and then subsequently the same for the short. So it looks like I might not get a trade. We're still in kind of this recovery period right here. Okay. So this $1.37 obviously is not a lot. I think I kind of, so, it's kind of almost paper trading in a way, but it is something in the game, so you kind of like don't want to go willy-nilly all the time. I was a little willy-nilly today, so maybe I might just kind of push it to um, double the size or 2 shares just to kind of keep myself honest a little bit, because I did trade a little bit too much, and so maybe that was part of it. Also, in this recording, I do understand that now the sound does work. So you guys do hear the sound, while I don't hear the sound of the fills or anything like that. Okay, but I might cut it short because it is 9:30 and there is nothing really happening. I kind of just want to spend the rest of the time before I have to work to just kind of contemplate a couple things. So let's just see. Yeah, this does not seem like it is going to reverse anytime soon. And I'm just going to watch the volume. I don't know how can I move back. Yeah, like here, like buying here, just a couple ticks, and then it'll just it'll just reverse. Here I did do a breakdown here. I did get like one or two targets, and then it reversed, and I had to cut it. Here I did the same thing as well. Okay. So okay, it's going up. Let's see. Okay, damn, that was I just kept everything. That would be really good. I could just go again. Do we go again, or do we wait for the reversal? It's kind of like okay. I think I'll just wait for the reversal. I don't want to willy-nilly it. So let's just give it. Excuse me. Let's just give it another minute. Okay, let's just have this candle 15 range candle close, and then if it closes favorably, we'll enter a trade just to. I don't want to. Okay, if it closes favorably on the upside, we'll enter a trade just to see. But it looks like it might be breaking down. Let's see. So let's look at the volume here is 587, 902, 799, and right now it's at 790, 6,000. So the volume is increasing here. So if this volume gets pretty higher, we might just get into a trade just once on confirmation, just to show you guys how I'm mirroring the trades. And I really think people should do this. Like, obviously this is not a really good day. That's a pretty nasty loss for someone just starting out with a small account. So definitely don't do that. But this right here, this negative 137 is manageable. Obviously this account, this is a margin account with more than 25,000, so I can trade as much as I want. And okay, so now it's 1,000 right there. Okay, so it is actually having some contention here. So I might just short. Okay, I'm just gonna short just to show you guys.
Order
So as you
filled.
can see, it clicked here, and then it clicked here, here, here. It clicked back here because it has some problems with like, you know, with like finding the right part of the screen or something like that. It's very difficult. It's just an auto hotkey kind of thing. Um, okay, so now it finally turned red. This is how slow this computer is. So I think if it gets like to the midpoint here above 4136, okay, I might even have to stop out. So this is not really good yet because we don't really have confirmation, but we do have a building. We do have some volume here. So I might stop out soon. So if it breaks this area, then yeah, I'm just gonna stop out. But I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm pretty sure there is a reversal coming soon. I just don't know when. It could build into another bar, and then the next bar will be a reversal. Because this is very suspicious that this volume is getting pretty high here in this POC. But let's just let it run because I just want to show you guys how a live trade works. Or a live mirroring trade works. So I have profit targets on these things too, which are similar to. So if it does hit this profit target, it should be very similar to this button here. So let's just give it a little bit more. I might just cut it early just because there's no confirmation on this yet. It's just the only thing that we have right now is that it's high volume here. So let's just see what happens. I'm just give it another minute. Hopefully it breaks down here. Okay, I'm just gonna exit because it really, I think we need a little more confirmation. So I hit the scroll wheel and then bam, it takes me out.
Order filled.
So here so this is a reversal. I do think this is near the reversal. I think we need to see a red bar form here instead of like, right now I'm just simply entering because of this. I think we need to see a red bar first before it does that. So yeah, so that's kind of about it. Pretty difficult morning so far just for trading. And yeah, so hopefully everyone's doing better than me. And I'll talk to you.